Kerala, a state long considered a bastion of the left and Congress, is showing signs of a political shift. A fresh survey conducted by Political Vibe across 50 assembly constituencies suggests that public sentiment is slowly but noticeably tilting in favor of the centre's handling of national security, especially in the wake of Operation Sindoor. The results reflect more than just numbers. They speak to a broader mood, a recalibration of trust, especially among communities that have traditionally leaned away from the BJP. Let's break down the findings. More than 72% of respondents said India made the right decision by agreeing to a ceasefire following Operation Sindoor, and over 80% rated the decision a 4 or 5 on a 5-point scale. Among Christian respondents, 70.74% agreed with the ceasefire decision, 45.86% believe the Modi government deserves another term, and 82.66% feel India decisively won the war. Not overwhelming numbers, but certainly not dismissive either. These results suggest that while political reservations remain, there's a growing willingness to separate national security from party politics. Among Muslim respondents, 77.47% supported the ceasefire, 63.66% believed India won the war, and 79.40% praised military procurement. If there was one unifying factor across communities, it was support for the Indian Armed Forces. 91% praised the execution of Operation Sindoor. Nearly 90% applauded the handling of ceasefire violations. 91.32% felt new weapon procurements strengthened India's military. Even among communities less politically aligned with the centre, this respect for India's armed forces cut across barriers. 87.76% of Christians and 79.40% of Muslims backed the defence procurement moves. Some political leaders, including CPIM's John Brittus and M. Swaraj, criticized the government's actions during Operation Sindoor, but public sentiment wasn't on their side. 47.64% rejected their remarks. Only 13.10% supported them. Even among Christians and Muslims, disapproval stood at 46.17% and 29.27% respectively. So what does this all mean? The data reveals a maturing political outlook in Kerala, where people are increasingly distinguishing national security from partisan politics. Even minority communities, long considered politically distant from the BJP, are acknowledging the centre's strength in moments of national crisis. It may not be a full shift yet, but it is certainly a shift worth watching. As the BJP positions itself as a party of national strength and security under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the ground in Kerala, once untouchable, may no longer be as firm for the traditional opposition players. Stay with One India as we continue to track this evolving political landscape.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update.